For many people, traveling is a pleasurable pastime. After all, seeing new places provides your brain with a sensation of renewal and relaxation. People frequently desire to photograph the place they visit in order to preserve the memorable experience. Such a purpose necessitates the use of high-end camera capable of capturing high-quality images. However, when a camera's performance capability increases, so does its price, and many individuals find it difficult to find a camera that fits their budget. What's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best cheap travel cameras you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. So now we will go through the top 3 best affordable travel cameras. Today's list is based on my personal opinion and research, and this is then based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started our countdown. On number 3, Ricoh WG Webcam. The Ricoh WG webcam is a reliable camera with a 5x optical zoom lens. This camera has a 3-inch screen and can easily record 4K footage. It's totally waterproof device with 6 LED lights surrounding the lens to help with macro photos. It might be struggle in low light. It is shock-proof up to 2.1 meter, crush-proof up to 100 kgf, freeze-proof to -10 degrees Celsius, and dust-proof because it's a waterproof. Pros of Ricoh WG webcam. It has built-in GPS, and the lens a 5x optical zoom. Also, color reproduction is excellent. Cons of Ricoh WG webcam. Optical zoom is not available while video is being recorded. There is no panoramic mode available. Purple freckle is seen. On number 2, Canon EOS Rebel T7. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a camera for you if you are searching for a solid in-trail DSLR at a reasonable price. The manufacturer had occupied this camera with a 24-megapixel sensor as well as some performance enhancement. The camera is 5.1 by 3.9 by 3.1 inches in size and weighs around 1.75 pounds. It contains a 3-inch LCD that is relatively bright and clear, as well as optical viewfinder. The on and off switch or 4-way controller keys are both firm, and the camera can record 4K video at 24 frames per second. Pros of EOS Rebel T7. A guideline in camera features, exceptional feature set, and excellent image quality. Cons of Canon EOS Rebel T7. An LCD display that's always on, no tilt, continuous shooting at a low pace. There is no touchscreen. On number 1, Canon EOS M50. The Canon EOS M50 is a fantastic option for you if you're looking for a mirrorless camera with good image quality, reasonable autofocus, and easy-to-use features. This camera sensor is a 24.1 megapixel APS-CMOS sensor that can take 4K videos. It has 3-inch touchscreen with 1.4 million dots and a burst shooting rate of 10 frames per second. The Canon EOS M50 camera's battery lasts for 235 shots and weighs around 390 grams. Pros of Canon EOS M50. EVF is excellent, touchscreen that has been polished, and simple to use. Cons of Canon EOS M50. A 1.6x crop is applied to 4K video. Battery life is poor. So guys, this was the video about the best cheap travel cameras. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like today. Thank you so much.